Hi everyone, this is Civil Engineering Tutorials. In this video, I will show you sectional elevation of staircase of market complex of drawing. So don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Also press the bell icon to never miss any updates. So let's get started. So in my previous video, I have already created these plans of market complex of drawing. So this is the ground floor plan. This is the first floor plan. This is the second floor plan. And this is the multi-story front elevation. This is without veranda slope. And this is multi-story front elevation. This is with veranda slope. And this is column layout plan. And this is sectional elevation. This is sectional XY. Okay. This is sectional XY. And now I will show you staircase sectional elevation. This is the staircase. I will show you staircase sectional elevation. So go to window. And go to staircase sectional elevation. So this is the first floor plan. Now I'll show you staircase sectional elevation here. So this is the section line, section element AB. Okay, this is the section element AB. So first of all, I need to rotate this. Okay, so delete this. Now rotate this. Select and rotate. Alright. Now this is section element AB. This is the staircase sectional elevation I am going to draw. So first, take line command. L enter. Now specify first point here and second point here. Now consider this line as ground level. Okay. Now ground level to plinth level height, here I am taking 2 feet and 6 inch. So give offset distance 2 feet and 6 inch. Now select the plinth level line and click on upward direction. So this is the ground level and this is the plinth level. Now come to this plan. Now here, this is the section line. Now see, here direction of arrows are in upward direction. You can see here direction of arrows are in upward direction. That means we can see only this side part and assume this part is already removed. Okay, assumed this part is already removed. Okay, so take Excel. Excel means construction line. Now we need horizontal line, so H enter. Now click here. Okay, so we'll do section and this line. Now Excel again. For vertical line, press V enter. Now click here. Okay, now we can see this pillar, so click here. Okay, this is the pillar. Now we can see this wall. Okay, this wall. Now this is the staircase. Click here and click here. Okay, now we can see this wall also, so click here. Now okay, change the color. Alright, now this is the starting point. This is the pillar we can see, and this wall we can see this wall. Now this is the staircase, this is the landing, 3 feet landing, and this is the wall. Okay, now I'll create the roof slab. So for roof slab, I'm taking building height 10 feet and 6 inch. So give offset distance 10 feet and 6 inch. Select the plinth level. From plinth level, building height is 10 feet and 6 inch. Okay, plinth level and click on upward direction. Okay, now roof slab thickness is 4 inch. Again, give offset distance 4 inch. Now select this line and click on upward direction. Okay, now go to linear. See, here to plinth level, this is 10 feet and 6 inch building height. Okay, and this is roof slab thickness 4 inch. Alright, now I'll create the roof slab projection, that is 6 inch. Okay, so give offset distance 6 inch. Now select this line, click to this side, and select this line and click to this side. and trim all the extra lines. Select these two lines, these lines, and trim all the extra lines. Trim these two lines and these two lines. Alright. Now again trim all these lines. Alright. Now make it by layer. Okay. So this is 6-inch roof slab projection. Okay. Alright. Now trim these lines. Okay. Now this is done. And this is all these are wall layers. Okay. Alright. Now here we can see this chaza also. Okay. So here we can see this pillar, this wall, this staircase, this wall, and we can see this chaza also. So take Excel. For chaza we need to create the lintel slab first. That is 7 feet from plinth level. So give offset. Give offset distance 7 feet. Select the plinth level line and click on upward direction. Now lintel slab thickness is 3 inch. Again offset. Give offset distance 3 inch. Select this line and click. Okay. Now come to this plan. Excel. View for vertical. Now click on this chaza. Okay. Now trim all the extra lines. Trim these lines. Okay. Alright. Now here we can see the lintel beam. Okay. That is 6 inch. So give offset distance 6 inch. Select this line and click here. Okay. Now trim all the extra lines. Trim this line also. Okay. Now here we can see the roof beam. That is 6 inch. Give offset distance 6 inch. Select this line, click. Now trim all the extra lines. Give offset of 10 inch. Here also you can see the roof beam here also. So trim all the extra lines. Trim here. Also trim here. Trim here and trim here. Alright. Trim this line. Okay. So this is the roof beam and lintel beam created. Now I'll create the steps. Okay. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers of threads. Okay. So these are 4 numbers of threads. So rise should be number of threads plus 1. This is 9 inch. Okay. 9 inch. 9 inch. So 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers of threads. So rise should be number of threads plus 1. That means 5 numbers of rise. Okay. So thread is 9 inch and rise is 6 inch. I have already told this in my previous video. Now I'll create the rise here. Okay. So take polyline. Okay, specify first point. Specify starting point. This is the starting point. Click here. Okay. Now this is first 6 inch. Enter. Now 9 inch thread. Enter. Again 6 inch rise. Enter. 9 inch thread. Again 6 inch. 9 inch. 6, 9-inch thread. Now finally 6-inch rise. Okay. Now see. Now I'll check this. I'll extend all these threads to this line. See. These are, you can see this. Okay. Undo this. Now see. Okay. Delete this. Now see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers of threads and rise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Hope you understand? These are 4 numbers of threads and rise 5 numbers of rise. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of thread plus 1 is equal to number of rise. Okay. Alright. Now trim all the extra lines here. Alright. Now this is the staircase. I'll create this staircase now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 numbers of threads. So rise should be 11 numbers. 10 plus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 numbers of threads. So rise should be 11 numbers. Okay. So rise is 6 inch and thread is 9 inch. So first I'll extend these lines here. Okay. Now these are the threads. Now delete these two lines. Okay. Now I'll create the staircase here. Okay. So I'll use polyline command here. This is landing, 3 feet landing. Okay. This is the landing, 3 feet. So I'll start from this point here. So take polyline, PL enter. This is the start point. Click here. The first 6 inch rise. Enter. Now 9 inch thread. Again 6, 9, 6, 9 inch thread. 6 inch rise. 9 inch thread. 6 inch rise. 9 inch thread. Now 6 inch rise. 9 inch thread. Again 6, 9 inch thread. 6 inch rise. 9 inch thread. 6 inch rise. 9 inch thread. 6 inch rise, and this is the final thread, 9 inch thread. Okay. Then again 6 inch rise. Okay. So hope you understand. Now see, these are the threads and I have created the steps. Okay. Hope you understand how to create this. Change the color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 numbers of threads. And rise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. 11 numbers of rise. Alright. Okay. Now I'll trim all the threads here. Trim. Select this line. Now trim these lines. Okay. Now I'll mirror this. Okay. I'll mirror this. Mirror, enter. Okay. So these are the steps. Now draw a line at midpoint. Okay. Now trim all the extra lines. Now these are the steps. Since to stairs, by layer. Okay. Now So we understand how to create these steps. Okay. Now draw a line here. Connect this point with this point. And connect this point with this point. Okay. Now give offset distance 4 inch. Select this line, click, select this line, click, and select this line and click. Okay. Now extend all lines. Extend this line, and this line, and this line. Okay. Now trim all the extra lines here. Trim this line. Okay. Now trim this. Now extend this line. See, I am showing you very slowly so that it will be easy to understand. Trim this. Trim the roof slab from here to here. Okay. Now trim this line. Trim all the extra lines. Okay. Alright. Now draw line here. Take line command. 6. Now 7. Now close this with this point. 6 inch. Okay. Now trim this line. Okay. Alright. So now extend this line also. Now draw line here. Extend this line. Drag this. Now trim this line. Delete this line. Okay. This is the roof frame. Okay. So now I'll hatch. Okay, I'll hatch this. So I'll do concrete hatch. Delete these lines first. Okay. So I'll do concrete hatch, enter. Now this concrete hatch is already selected. Okay. Scale is 1. Now at pick point, click inside, click here. Enter. Again hatch. Click inside. Again hatch. Click here and click here. Okay. So this is done. Alright. Now I'll fix the foundation. Okay, this is the foundation which I have already created in my previous video. So I'll copy and paste it. I have already created this foundation in my previous video, and its link is given in the description box. Okay, so copy this and paste here. How to create this foundation? Its link is given in the description box. Okay, so this is the section line, this is the pillar, this is the wall. Okay, this is the staircase. Okay, this is the pillar. Okay, our section line is not going through this pillar, so and this wall we can see only this wall because section line is going through this wall only, so we can see this wall's foundation. Okay, so trim all the extra lines. Our section line is going through this wall only. So we can see the foundation of this wall, and we are not able to see the foundation of this column. This is the wall, section line is going to this wall, so we are going to see this foundation. Okay, all right. So this wall and these columns, section line is not going through this wall and this column. Okay, now give offset of 1 inch, again give offset of 4 inch. Okay, so this is 1 inch thick marble flooring over 4 inch thick plain cement concrete. Okay, now I'll hatch this. Okay, all right. Now I'll do wall hatch. Hatch, enter. Select this. Make the scale 20. Click inside. Click here and click here. Okay. This is the column and section line is not going through this column. So I'm not hatching this column. Okay. Section line is not going through this column. Section line is cutting only this wall. Okay. So we can see the foundation of this one only also. Okay. So this is the ground floor staircase sectional elevation. Now draw line here, give offset distance 4 inch. Select, click to this side. Now extend. Select this line, extend this line towards both sides. Delete this line and trim extra lines. First I'll hatch this concrete hatch or do mass properties. Now trim these extra lines. Trim from here. Delete this line. Okay. This is created. Okay. So this is the ground floor sectional elevation of staircase. This is the staircase. Now I'll create the railings. Okay. I'll create the railings here. So take line command, I'll enter, specify first point here, make the direction upward, make ortho and specify the height 2 feet, enter. Now give offset of, make layer railing, give offset of 1 inch to each side, give offset distance 0.5, 0.5 to each side. Select, click to this side, select, click to this side. Now delete the middle line. Okay. Now I'll copy this, select, copy. This is the base point. Click here and paste it. Paste. See, I'm showing you very slowly so that it will be easy to understand. Okay. Now again I'll copy from this side, select, copy. Specify base point, this point. Okay. Now paste here. Again paste here, here. Okay. Hope you understand. Click here. Okay. Click here, but this line is not required. Okay. Now again take line command, L enter. Now click here and join this with this point. Okay. Again line command, this is the first point and join this with this point. Okay. Now delete these lines. Now give offset distance 2 inch. Now select this line, click, again select this line, click. Okay. Now I'll fillet this. So fillet, take radius or enter 5 inch. Now select this line and this line. Again fillet this line and this line. See, fillet is done. Now give offset. Here we need to give offset. Give offset distance 6 inch. Select this line, click to this line. Now extend. Select this line, these two lines. Now trim all the extra lines here. Select these two lines and trim these lines. Also we need to trim all the extra lines here. Select this line and trim all the extra lines. Okay. Trim all the extra lines. Trim here. Trim. Select these lines. Trim this line also. Okay, trim all the extra lines here. You can see here I'm showing everything very slowly. Alright. Now here again give offset of 6 inch. Select this line and click. Now take line command. I'll enter. Snap off. Then this is the first point. Make a turn. Join this. Give offset. Give offset just 2 inch. Select this line. Click on upper direction. Now extend. Select extend and trim all the extra lines here. Trim this line. Trim. Now extend this line and trim all the extra lines here. Okay, so hope you understand. This is the railing is created also. So this is the staircase and railing is created. So this is the ground floor sectional elevation of staircase. Now I need to create first floor and second floor also. So first I'll mark the dimensions. So go to dimension linear. This is building height 10 feet and 6 inch. Okay. This is landing, from this point here to here, this is landing 3 feet, and this is lintel height 7 feet. This is lintel slab height. This is tread 9 inch, tread, and rise is 6 inch. I'll mark here. You can mark at any point. This is 9 inch tread and this is 6 inch rise. Okay. Now we understand. This is 9 inch tread and 6 inch rise. How to calculate number of rise and number of tread? I have already given a video. Draw a line here, and this is the base point. Now I'm going to draw the first floor and second floor. So copy this, ground floor, copy. Now this is the base point. Click on base point, paste here, first floor, again paste here, this is second floor. Hope you understood. Delete these lines. Okay, this is okay. Now I'll fillet this, delete this line, delete these lines also. Now I'll fillet these lines, fillet this line with this line, this line with this line. Now delete all extra lines, trim extra lines here. Okay. Then delete all the extra lines here, fillet this line, fillet this line with this line and this line with this line. Trim all the extra lines. Now see, hope you understood how to create the staircase. This is 6-inch rise, 9-inch tread. Okay, linear. This is 9-inch tread and 6-inch rise. Okay, so hope you understood how to create this. Now I'll create the parapet wall here. So give offset distance 2 feet and 6 inch. Select the roof slab and click. Now join these two lines first. Join these two lines. Okay. Now again extend this side wall and this side wall. Okay. Now give offset distance 3 inch. Select this line, click on upward direction, select this line, click to this side, select this line, click to this side. Now trim all the extra lines. Select these lines and trim this also. Trim here and trim here. Delete this line and delete this line. Okay. Now I'll extend this line. This line, if you want to use fillet command here, you can use. Trim all the extra lines here. Again, trim extra lines here. This the parapet wall is also created. This is 2 feet and 6 inch parapet wall. Okay. So DT, this is 2 feet and 6 inch height parapet wall. Over 4-inch thick RCC roof slab and its ratio is 1:2:4. Okay, this is 2 feet and 6 inch height parapet wall over 4-inch thick RCC roof slab and its ratio is 1:2:4. Move this to this point. Okay. 1:2:4. Ratio is 1:2:4 roof slab. Okay. 2 feet and 6 inch height parapet wall of a 4 inch thick RCC roof slab, and its ratio is 1:2:4. Now this is 2 feet and 6 inch height parapet wall. Okay. And this is 4 inch thick roof slab. Here to here, this is 4 inch thick roof slab. Okay. Alright, this is 2 feet and 6 inch parapet wall. This is roof slab 4 inch thick. 2 feet and 6 inch height parapet wall over 4 inch thick RCC roof slab. And its ratio is 1:2:4. I'll copy the text to here. This is 1 inch thick marble flooring over 4 inch thick PCC, and its ratio is 1:4:8. Okay. 1 inch thick marble flooring over 4 inch thick PCC plain cement concrete, and its ratio is 1:4:8. 1:4:8. Okay. Move the text to this point. Okay. Now change the height to 7 inch. Stop. 1 inch thick marble flooring over 4 inch thick PCC. Its ratio is 1:4:8. Okay. So this is 1 inch thick marble flooring, and this is, see, this is 4 inch thick PCC. Okay. Hope you understood. So this is ground floor, first floor and second floor. So this is the section of staircase of market complex of drawing. This is section 11. Section on AB. This is the staircase sectional elevation. Section on AB. Make the text 1 feet, text height. I am showing everything very slowly so that it will be easy to understand. This is the section on AB. This is the sectional elevation. Okay. Ground floor, first floor and second floor. This is the parapet wall. So, hope you like this video. Now, if you like this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.